Portugal! From the sea to the stars, tonight we sail together. Where the ocean meets the sky. Where the ocean meets the sky, dreamers learn to chase the light. Every harbor tells a tale, every wind becomes a sail. From Lisbon streets to Porto nights, thousands gather side by side. Every heartbeat finds its song, calling all of us along. Can you hear the ocean roar, like the legends from before? Every voice becomes a flame, every heart repeats your name. Sons of the Atlantic, raise your voices to the sky. We were born to rise tonight. Through the waves and through the storm, this is where our hearts belong. Atlantic fire, every dream is shining bright like a beacon in the night. Old stone streets and harbor lights echo through the somber nights. Every child who chased a ball still remembers hearing the call. Flags are dancing in the wind, crowds erupting once again. Every